Each type of contract can have its own record retention policy aligned with the overall organizational retention schedule. This type of contract is configured with a record retention policy to hold onto the contract for 7 years from the date it is closed. The retention applies to the entire contract package, including all documents, notes, and linked objects or stages. To close the contract and trigger retention, the user, typically a contract officer or closeout team member, simply clicks the Close option under the Actions menu. In this specific configuration, there are several fields available when closing the contracts. Let's focus in on the first two, as they are directly tied to the retention schedule. The first, a date field, represents the start of the retention period. The second field, record disposition group, allows the record to be assigned to a specific approval group when the retention period expires. The other fields shown here aren't part of records management, but they do demonstrate how additional fields can be tracked easily through configuration. To close the contract, I simply click the Confirm button, and my contract is now closed and locked for editing. In addition, in any search results now, I can quickly see when a contract is closed.